Dear all, vulnerabilities in Adobe Acrobat Reader. 3 new vulnerabilities in Adobe Acrobat Reader were discovered recently that may affect to multiple versions of PDF softwares. This poses a significant risk of unwittingly opening that malicious crafted PDF files. These vulnerabilities are categorized as memory corruption and out-of-bound flaws. If exploited, this could allow threat actors to execute arbitrary code, install malware, modify data, or create privileged new user accounts. According to the CVE 2025-27158, CVSS score and severity is high. This memory corruption vulnerability resulting from an uninitialized pointer in Adobe Acrobat Reader's font handling functionality. To exploit this needs specially crafted file embedded with PDF document. According to the CVE 2025-27163 and CVE 2025-27164, CVSS score and severity is medium. These out-of-bounds issue could lead to disclosure of sensitive information, cryptographic keys and passwords or confidential data. A threat actor could leverage this security flaw to bypass mitigations such as ASLR. For a successful exploit of this vulnerability, it requires a user interaction. This vulnerability specifically relates to the OpenType font format passing in embedded font files. The vulnerability also relates to processing of OpenType font files embedded in PDF documents. Affected products: Adobe Acrobat Reader DC version 24.005.20421, and earlier Acrobat Classic and Acrobat 2020 versions. Adobe Acrobat Reader versions 2024.005.20320, 24.001.30225, 20.005.30748. 25.001.20428, and earlier mitigation strategies. Update to the latest patched versions. Keep antivirus, endpoint security solution up to date.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe and click the bell icon for future videos.